going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, real quick video for you all here today. We are going to test out the parallel park feature once again here in the Tesla. And this is available with any Tesla that comes equipped with full self-driving, which costs $99 a month or $8,000 with the vehicle price. And with that you get full self-driving, so it can make rights and lefts and obey traffic just like you see here. And then it can also park for you, and in the future Summon will be available too. So we're actually going to do a takeover here since we are looking for a parking spot now officially. So I'm trying to get a spot over here to the left, but if there's something further up on the right, I'll take that too. Parking is usually pretty packed here in Arlington pretty much all day long. So if we can find a spot, we're gonna take it. And let's see, there are some spots here on the left. And boom, this is actually legit. We'll go ahead and grab it. As you can see here, the P pops up, so that way FSD knows this is a parking spot. So I'm gonna let it do its thing now. Look how it draws a trajectory, really cool. And then what it's gonna do is get right next to this car and use the cameras to detect the surroundings and parallel park into the spot behind me. And yeah, check this out. Hopefully it just does this in one swipe, which will be awesome. And it does. Really nice job. And look at the way it straightens itself out. It knows that it can fit inside this box, so it kind of has that to work with. And here we go with it straightening itself out. And just like that, it parked itself right perfectly behind this car. And just like that on parallel park. So if you know you have trouble with parallel parking, FSD is for you. If you have trouble with reverse parking, FSD is for you. If you just think it's cool to see your car park itself, FSD is for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. Check out some of my other videos as well. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.